Hello, I am Dr. Bhavatharini. I am a cornea and phaco-refractive surgeon in Dr. Agarwals Eye Hospital, Rajouri Garden, New Delhi. Blurring of vision that doesn't improve with glasses may be due to corneal damage. Cornea is the clear front part of the eye. It can be affected in conditions like corneal infection, scars following injury, conditions like keratoconus, corneal dystrophy. It makes the cornea cloudy and distorts the vision. In these conditions, corneal transplant can help. Corneal transplantation is a procedure where the damaged cornea is replaced with a healthy donor cornea, restoring the corneal clarity and improving the vision. With today's advanced technique, the visual recovery is faster and the outcomes are also very good. If you or any of your family member have been diagnosed with corneal disorder or have persistent blurring of vision, book a consultation with us today. Don't delay, earlier the treatment can save the sight. Thank you.